In this video, I'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing a P0171 System Too Lean Bank 1 error code. The customer brought in their vehicle with the check engine light on. I started by connecting a scan tool and confirmed the P0171 error code. To investigate further, I performed a visual inspection of the air intake system and the positive crankcase ventilation PCV hose, but didn't find any obvious faults. Next, I connected a smoke machine to the air intake system to check for leaks. During the test, I observed smoke leaking from the positive crankcase ventilation valve, which indicated it was the source of the issue. Upon closer inspection, I found the PCV valve was damaged and needed to be replaced. The fix was straightforward. I replaced the faulty PCV valve, cleared the error codes, and performed a road test. The vehicle operated perfectly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. If you're dealing with a P0171 error code or suspect issues with your PCV valve, this video will guide you through the diagnosis and repair process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.